TikTok skincare trends that actually work and which ones don't, part 2. Sandwiching method is very good, especially if you want to mitigate any kind of irritation using retinoid. So what you're going to do is you're going to put a oil-based product, then you put your retinoid, and you're going to put the oil-based product again. You don't want to put a water-based product because that's going to increase the irritation. But when you sandwich between 2 creams, that is going to help slow down the release of the retinoid into your skin, which makes it gentler and smoother. It doesn't affect how strong it's going to be because you're still going to get that right dosage. It's going to take a little bit longer, which means it's friendlier. Red light therapy is really good for the skin when done properly. It's going to help stimulate the collagen. It's going to take away the redness. It's going to just help with the overall radiance of the skin. But when you are using an at-home device, you may not be getting real red light therapy. So be careful with what you purchase. Face shaving could be something really good for your skin, especially if you have a lot of fine hairs. This is going to help smooth out your skin. It's going to help really with micro exfoliation on the skin as well. It helps makeup go on better. So it's a good thing to do, but make sure that the blade is very clean, it's very hygienic, and you take care to hydrate your skin and protect your skin properly.